Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is part 3. You really, if you want to ever do anything like this, you need to watch all 3 parts. So in this last part, we're going to change the colors, and this is going to be tedious, regardless of how you do it. So I'm going to select them all. I've rotated them around just like I did in the first one. I'm going to go to Object Group, and I'm going to ungroup them. So we're going to leave the original color. Now, this is made of 3 parts. We've got this part, which is our shadow. We've got this part, which is our shadow. And we have this part, which is our base color underneath. So we can grab right here and grab our underneath color and left click green. Now we can grab this and get the interactive fill tool. And if you will click on that and then just go over to green, it'll change it to green. Click on that, or you can drag it over your personal preference. I'm going to do a few of these. So we're going to grab the base color. We're going to make the base one yellow. We're going to grab the inner, and you could quite possibly make a hotkey for doing some of this. Not necessarily all of it. I'm just going to do a few colors. So see, I have the base coat, so I need to click out here to get the bottom layer. We're going to make this one purple. We'll grab our interactive fill. That's where you make a hotkey to get your interactive fill tool to come up. Then you could grab that piece. I prefer actually driving them or dragging them over. Now, I think this is, see, I've got the shadow, so I need to click on the outside. We'll make this one dark blue. Dark blue isn't going to show off the shadow. So we'll make it that light blue. Let's kind of zoom in here. And then I'm going to click on my first shadow. And I'm going to interactive fill tool. And I'm going to click on that box and I'm going to get that same blue. If you notice when you're working in Corel, your last color will be kind of highlighted in a box. But you need to check that box and then go over and hit that blue. We'll do, and realistically, you could maybe only do a quarter of this. You'd have the same repeat colors every time on the quarter. Let's put in a burnt orange. Nope, burnt orange. Then click. So if you had a hotkey for the color or for the interactive fill tool, it might be saving a lot of time. I don't know of any other way to do it. You might even, when you're doing, if you're a printer, you might even want to use CMYK. As in a laser engraver, I only have RGB that just doesn't have quite the amount of colors. But see the last one is highlighted, or you'd forget which one you're using. So it's tedious, regardless of how you do it. But just in the small time that I've done this, just do that all the way around. Now, let's look at it with a black box around it and see what it looks like. Object, order, back a page. It's pretty close. You know what? It's sharper than the original because this is fuzzy where mine's clear. And, I maybe could have done a better job on the ribbon itself. So that's something you could do. But I do like the shadow between the pieces. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.